أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. ربنا زدنا علما اللهم فقهنا في الدين آمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته يا أهل القرآن. I hope and pray that Allah in the best state of health and iman. Ameen. Alhamdulillah. Today, inshallah, let's learn our number 1 to 15th of Surah Shams. Okay, the whole Surah, inshallah. First, I'm gonna recite this. After that, let's look into Tajweed rulings, inshallah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. والشمس وضحاها والقمر إذا تلاها والنهار إذا جلاها والليل إذا يغشاها والسماء وما بناها والأرض وما طحاها ونفس وما سواها فألهمها فجورها وتقواها قد أفلح من زكاها وقد خاب من دساها كذبت ثمود بطغواها إذ انبعث أشقاها فقال لهم رسول الله ناقة الله وسقياها فكذبوه فعقروها فدمدم عليهم ربهم بذنبهم فسواها ولا يخاف عقباها. Alhamdulillah. So we have completed reciting. Now inshallah let's look into Tajweed rulings. Okay, number 1, والشمس وضحاها. والشمس, waw is connected to sheen. We are not reciting this hamzatul wasl lam shamsiya. والشمس, mim sakin with no extra gunna, just izhar shafawi. والشمس والشمس وضحاها. Bod, not wazu or not even wadu. Okay, from sides of your tongue, edges of your tongue, hafatul lisan. Wadu, waduhaha. This ha from your middle part of the throat. Wasatul halaq, and this from your last part of the throat. Aqsal halaq. Both are separate. This has a sharp sound and this has a blunt sound. It should be waduhaha. Ha. Okay, very blunt from the last part of your throat, and keep it to haraka while stopping. Washamsi waduhaha والقمر إذا تلاها والقمر, Qaf heavy, all the letters are light. والقمر إذا, no buzzing sound, not إذا. إذا تلاها, 2 count. Okay, while stopping also, alif mad, waw mad, ya mad, madul asli, all madul tabi'i will not change into anything. They will remain 2 haraka only. Okay, huruf al mad. تلاها والقمر إذا تلاها والنهار إذا جلاها. والنهار, wow connected to noon, noon mushaddad with 2 count gunna. والنهار إذا, no buzzing sound. Jallaha, there is tajdeed here. Okay, here there is no tajdeed, it is just talaha, but here there is tajdeed. Jallaha. Okay, والنهار إذا جلاها والليل إذا يغشاها. والليل, not والليل. Layli, this is wrong. والليل. I kind of sound to this yaleen. والليل إذا, no buzzing sound, not إذا. إذا يغشاها. يغين. You have to fluid sound. Don't do qalqala there like يغ. It is يغشاها. شا and ha both for two haraka. والليل إذا يغشاها. والسماء وما بناها. والسماء. Here waw is connected to seam and this meme is stretched for 4 haraka due to this mad al wajib muttasil mad due to hamza, where hamza is attached to the same word. 4 haraka stretching. والسماء وما 2 haraka to this meme. وما بناها. بناها 2 to count. Okay, standing fatha, alif mad al saghira and also alif mad, both are for 2 to count. Okay, والسماء وما بناها. والأرض وما طحاها. والأرض. أرض. Hamza is light. Don't recite it like أرض. O. It is a. Ra sakin is heavy. أرض. Dad is also heavy. والأرض وما to count. طحاها. طا heavy. Okay, make it heavy. Ta is the most heaviest letter of all those 7 huruf al-musta'aliya. So make that heavy. Ta. Ha. Again, these 2 has came together, where this is very sharp and this is not sharp from last part of your throat. Okay. طحاها. والأرض وما طحاها. ونفس وما سواها. ونفس. Don't do qalqala there like wanaf. This is wrong. ونفس. Tanween followed by waw. Idgham is done with 2 count gunna. ونفس ونفس وما 2 haraka. وما سواها. Don't recite it like saw. Don't convert this waw tashdid wa mushaddad into waw lean and don't say saw. Saw is wrong. Sawwa. Do nabar here so that you don't lighten the strength of the tashdid. Okay. Sawwaha. Wama sawwaha. Ha for 2 count. Okay. Wa nafsin wama sawwaha. فألهمها فجورها وتقواها. You while reciting, don't merge this hamza with the fa and say fal. Fal is wrong. Fa'al. Hamza should be very clear, cut and clear. Fa'al. If you recite falhamaha, that is wrong. Okay. Fa'alhamaha. Both this has are with the last part of your throat. فألهمها. Okay, from the bottom part. فألهمها. This half or 2 haraka. All the letters for 1 count and don't do qalqala on lam sakina. فألهمها فجورها. Fuju. Jim for 2 haraka. Fujura. Ra heavy and half for 2 count inshallah. فجورها وتقواها. تق قلقلة واو and half for 2 to count. فألهمها فجورها وتقواها. قد أفلح من زكاها. قد not خد or كد. It is a قد. Okay, dal with the قلقلة. أفلح. Ha very sharp. قد أفلح. Man, nun sakin followed by za, ikhfa is done, where you'll hide the sound of nun sakin with a 2 count gunna. Mauza. In this way. Don't recite it like man. No izhar, ikhfa. Mauzakkaha. قد أفلح من زكاها. وقد خاب من دساها. وقد, again same thing, this qa should not convert to kha or kaf, it is a qa, dal with a qalqala. وقد خاب, this is a kha. If you decide this qaf like this kha, then you're gonna change the meaning of many words beginning or which has this qaf letter in it. Okay, you should not do so. Make sure this kha is from throat and this qaf is from aqsal lisan, the last part of your tongue, the posterior part of your tongue. وقد خاب, don't also say that like a khaba, it is a heavy letter. It's not a khaba, it is a khaba, little heavier. Okay, وقد خاب من, ikhfa is done here. من دساها, دساها, تشديد is there, emphasize it. ها فتو حركة. وقد خاب من دساها. كذبت ثمود بطغواها. كذبت, not كذبت, that will be wrong. Okay, no buzzing sound, ta with hums. كذبت ثمود, not ثمود, it is a tha. Here no whistling sound. The pronunciation of letter tha and letter zal is same, just they differ in their sifat, so they sound different. This is a the, this is a tha. Tip of the tongue should be touching the corners of your upper front teeth. كذبت ثمود, ثمود بطا, ta is heavy, ghain should not be pronounced with the qalqala like a tagh, that is wrong. طغ, طغ, okay. بطغواها. كذبت ثمود بطغواها. This alif mad only for 2 count. There is the what we say mad sign here, it is mad al jaiz munfasil, but when only if you connect the sign number 11th with the number 12th. Okay, because while connecting we will apply the ruling of mad al jaiz munfasil, stretching it for 4 count. As we are not connecting, mad will become invalid and we will just stretch for 2 haraka. كذبت ثمود بطغواها. Okay, and recite this as separately. Hamza is not here, that is why just 2 count. إذ انبعث أشقاها. Easy, not easy, it is a dal, no buzzing sound, and do iqlab here. What is iqlab? Noon sakin is followed by ba, so convert that into meme. Pronouncing meme just like how you pronounce ikhfa shafawi. Okay, meme sakin followed by ba, lightly pressing your lips, not so tightly. إذ انبعث, ba'a, ain should be clear and the sa with no whistling sound. إذ انبعث أشقاها. أشقا, not أشخا. أشقاها, also for 2 haraka while stopping. إذ انبعث أشقاها. فقال لهم رسول الله ناقة الله وسقياها. فقال, not فقال or فقال, it is فقال لهم, mim sakin, no extra gunna, just izhar. لهم رسول, not رسول, ra, heavy. رسول, this lam al jalala will be heavy because this lam here has dhamma, right? Rasulullahi, Rasulullahi, do isti'ala, la, la. Naqata, naqa, not kha, naqatal. Again, while connecting, this lam will be heavier here, lam al jalala, because this ta has fatha. Naqatallahi وسقياها. وسق, قلقلة, يا and ha for 2 to come inshallah. Okay, فقال لهم رسول الله ناقة الله وسقياها. فكذبوه فعقروها. فدمدم عليهم ربهم بذنبهم فسواها. Okay. فكذبوه. Dhal with no buzzing sound. Read it like fakazza, not fakazza. فكذبوه فعقروها. Ain clear, not fa'a. It is fa'a. Okay, and also a qaf should not sound like a kaf or a kha. فعقروها. All are making that a raw with the fatha heavy, but with dhamma you're pronouncing it lightly like a ru. That is wrong. It is ru. Okay, just like how you do isti'ala to pronounce the letter ra, ru. Okay, فعقروها. Both for two to haraka. Here there are three signs. One is not to stop. So this is where you have a choice of doing anything, and this 5 sign, the Arabic number numerical waqf right here, that means waqf al-kufi. Even you have you can just stop like how you stop at the end of ayah. Okay, it is up to you if you want to continue. Even then this high is for 2 haraka, and if you just want to stop there, even then it is for 2 haraka, like فَكَذَّبُوهُ فَعَقَرُوهَا. And if you want to continue, فَكَذَّبُوهُ فَعَقَرُوهَا فَدَمْدَمَ. Fadam, mim sakin with no extra gunna, just dam, because next letter is dal, izhar shafawi. Fadamdama alayhim. Ain, that should be very clear. Don't pronounce it like a. It's not alayhim, it is a. Alayhim, and also not lay. Lay is wrong. It is yalin. It should be I. Alayhim rabbuhum. Ra heavy. Ra, and also here in this mim sakin no extra gunna. Alayhim rabbuhum. Ra heavy, and this mim sakin will be pronounced with 2 count gunna, because mim sakin is followed by ba. Ikhfa ash-shafawi is done, where you'll have to close your lips little lightly, because you're doing ikhfa here, you're hiding here, right? It is rabbuhum bi. Don't close it like rabbuhum bi. Okay, it's not mim followed by mim, it is mim sakin followed by ba. Rabbuhum bi. Okay, rabbuhum bi dhanbihim. Zal with no buzzing sound. Noon sakin is followed by ba. We will do iqlab. What is iqlab? Conversion of noon sakin into mim. And even here, while doing 2 count gunna, it will sound just like this gunna, which we did here, mim sakin followed by ba. Here also it is like mim sakin followed by ba, right? Because we are doing iqlab. So while doing that gunna, just close your lips bit lighter, not so tightly, okay? Rabbuhum bidhanbihim. Bidhanbihim. Mim sakin followed by fa, just izhar. Fasawwaha. Fasawwa. No conversion of waw sakin into wawleen like sawwa. This is wrong. Fasawwa. Do nabar there. Fasawwaha. Waha. Do to haraka. Okay. فكذبوه فعقروها فدمدم عليهم ربهم بذنبهم فسواها ولا يخاف عقباها. Wala, to count to this lam, and also it is compulsory if you make it 1 haraka, that will be lehn al-jali, changing in the meaning of word. Wala yakhafu, not yakhafu. Kha is light, kha is a heavy letter. Yakhafu, uq, ain and qaf. Both the letters are together, bit difficult to pronounce, but make sure to pronounce both correctly. A and qa. Uq. Okay, قاف إذا قلقل عقباها, both for 2 to count. ولا يخاف عقباها. Alhamdulillah, we have completed learning the whole surah. My voice was a bit low today as I have throat problem, bringing a lot of cold drinks during Ramadan, itching in the throat. But Alhamdulillah, I've managed to recite it. So now inshallah, let's recite together. But before that, if you have any questions with the tajweed rulings, you can ask me inshallah. Any doubts? First I'm gonna turn your mics on. Okay, G. Any doubts? No. Okay, Alhamdulillah, let's end the meeting inshallah. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. جزاكم الله خيرا.
وعليكم
وعليكم
السلام
السلام ورحمة الله
ورحمة الله
وبركاته.
وبركاته.
وإياكم.
دي وأنتم فجزاكم الله